So class 5, today we are going to do essay. We are going to see what is an essay and how many types of essays are there. So all of you please take out your English grammar copy and start writing what you can see on the screen. It is essay. Write the heading essay and then write whatever I have written. First, you have to write the definition of an essay. Start writing in your copy. Then don't say later on कि लिख नहीं पाए this or that. Start writing. Definition is an essay is a piece of non-fiction writing that talks or discusses a specific topic. Write down. And after that, there are over a dozen types of essays, so it's easy to get confused. However, rest assured the number is actually more manageable. Essentially, there are 4 major types of essays with the variations making up the remainder. And after that, write the subheading 4 major types of essays. Then after that, under the subheading 4 major types of essays, you write distinguishing between types of essays is simply a matter of determining the writer's goal. Does the writer want to tell about a personal experience, describe something, explain an issue, or convince the reader to accept a certain viewpoint? So the 4 major types of essays address these purposes. और उसके बाद 4 types of essays जो है वो है narrative essays, which is mean telling a story, then descriptive essays, which means painting a picture, then expository essays mean just the facts, and then persuasive essays convince me. That's all. To start writing, please. I hope all of you are writing down in your copy. I can see Abhigyan is there, Ankit Anand is there, Arpit is there, Aryan Anand is there, Ayushi is there, Vidya is there, Harshit is there, Isha Kumari is there, Isha Luharika is there, Kanishka is there, Ravi Ranjan is there, Shivam is there, Yuvraj is there, and Muskan is there. Prince is not there, Nitish is not there. Prince is not there, Nitish is not there, then Ravish is not there. Prince, Nitish, Ravish, and who else? Prince, Nitish, Ravish. Wait. You start writing, rest of you start writing. I hope all of you are writing. Yes, Dhananjay is also not there. सब कोई लिखो, कॉपी में लिखो सब. ऐसे लिखते जाओ कॉपी में फटाफट. ये ऐसे जो मैंने दिया है अभी ये स्क्रीन में दिख रहा है. अभी प्रिंस ने ऐड किया, प्रिंस अभी आया है, मनन भी अभी आया है। Prince and Manan had joined now. Why Prince and Manan so late? You don't know from 10 o'clock class starts. तुम लोग क्या समझो, सिर्फ अटेंडेंस देके चले जाओगे? वो नहीं होने वाला। एक एक इंसान का मैं चेक कर रहा हूं अभी। फिर कोई जुड़ा है, वो अंकुश अभी आया, देखो। What happened, अंकुश? Why are you so late? अटेंडेंस देने में तो बहुत जल्दी आ गए थे तुम। Prince, Manan and Ankush, I'm giving you warning. Next time it should not be repeated. Now start writing the essay. Only Nitish and Dhananjay गायब है. Write down this essay. I'm moving a little bit. ऐसे टॉपिक तो लिख लिया होगा, मैं था ऊपर जा रहा हूं. Write down. Now one more person has joined. किसने ज्वाइन किया? धनंजय और नीतीश के बीच देखूं. Dhananjay has joined. What happened, Dhananjay? Why so late? It has been noted. Today you have came late and you have not given attendance also. Next time it should not be repeated. Class starts at 10. Dhananjay, start writing. Your take out your English grammar copy. Write the heading. Essay. And after writing the essay, start writing this essay, whichever I have given here. Write fast. Only Nitish is not present. Otherwise, 19 students are here. No, I think Ravish is also not there. Yes, Nitish and Ravish. Write down these essays. I hope all of you are writing. I am moving ahead. Definition पार्ट तो हो चुका होगा. डोंट वरी, जिस किसी का नहीं भी होगा, मैं ये पूरा का पूरा ऐसे I will give you in your WhatsApp. Don't worry. You write it from there and then you submit it to me, okay? In PDF. Narrative essay is telling a story. In a narrative essay, the writer tells a story about a real life experience. While telling a story may sound easy to do, the narrative essay challenges students to think and write about themselves. When writing a narrative essay, writers should try to involve the reader by making the story as vivid as possible. The fact that narrative essays are usually written in the first person helps engage the reader. I sentences give readers a feeling of being a part of the story. A well crafted narrative essay will also build towards drawing a conclusion or making a personal statement. Then, number two, descriptive essays. That's been painting a picture. A cousin of the narrative essay, a descriptive essay paints a picture with words. A writer might describe a person, place, object, or even memory of special significance. However, this type of essay is not description for description's sake. The descriptive essay strives to communicate a deeper meaning through the description. In a descriptive essay, the writer should show, not tell, through the use of colorful words and sensory details. The best descriptive essays appeal to the reader's emotion with a result that is highly evocative. That's when descriptive essays, the writer is the narrator, speaks, and in narrative essays, who is writing is the narrator, and it will refer as I. Okay. See, I know many of you could not finish the letter. Don't worry, I will send it to your WhatsApp help desk. Okay. write it down from there. And whoever have came late today, I'm giving warning. Don't come late from tomorrow. And Ravish and Nitish has been marked absent. उन लोगों ने भले ही अटेंडेंस दिया पर इंग्लिश नहीं किया, इसलिए I will mark them absent. Now I'm ending my class here.